ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
ಜೆಜೆಇಪಿಸಿ ಐಐಜೆಎಸ್ ತೃತೀಯ ಬ್ರಿಲಿಯಂಟ್ ಭಾರತ ಥೀಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಂದು ಅನಾವರಣಗೊಳಿಸಿದೆ. ಭಾರತದ ಅತ್ಯುನ್ನತ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ರತ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ಆಭರಣಗಳ ರಫ್ತು ಪ್ರಮೋಷನಲ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ನ 2ನೇ ಆವೃತ್ತಿಯ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲರಿ ಶೋ ಐಐಜೆಎಸ್ ತೃತೀಯವನ್ನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಇದು ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 5ರಿಂದ ಆರಂಭಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 8ರವರೆಗೂ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಜಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲರ್ಸ್ ಮಿಷನರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋ ಮೊದಲ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಐಐಜೆಎಸ್ ತೃತೀಯ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು 2024ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನದ ಉಪಕರಣಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ತಂತ್ರಗಳಿಂದ ಚಾಲಿತವಾದ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶ್ವ ದರ್ಜೆಯ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಿಸಲು ಏಕಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಲನೆಗೊಂಡಿದೆ.
Sit, sir. You sit. Smile, sir. Look at camera, sir. Smile.
So these are the benefits. Sorry, the previous one. This is the summary of the benefits that we are offering. Like I mentioned earlier, that NESCO is going to be broken down. We don't know when and how, but the information that we have as of now is that there are bookings for that new hall number 6, which is coming up by October, and at that time another hall will go into demolition, and that could be another bigger
across 60 different countries worldwide. This gathering certainly promises to be a global celebration of craftsmanship and innovation in the industry. It's time for you and I together to brace ourselves for an exceptional journey that seamlessly blends tradition with modernity, elegance with innovation, exclusively at IIJS Tritiya 2024.
Commerce Principal Secretary, Government of Karnataka here. You should have put a demand for him.
No, I think they are with us in growing our industry. Always they have supported us. And sir, I would request you
to say some point.
Shavana sir.
See, today Selva Kumar sir will be here in this department. Tomorrow he will transfer to some other department from the government.
Industry department. Our chief guest Dr. B. Govindan. Our chief guest Dr. Vinod Hegre. One of the dynamic chairman Vipul Shah. And the best human being Mr. Neerav Bansali, Sabyasachi Ray, and Kirit Bhai, and all my friends from the fraternity. Today is a very special day that Bangalore have got one of the best show of our country, that is IIJS Tritiya. It took a birth at the time of COVID and it is running very fast, and we can see GJPC is putting a very hard effort to make sure that our industry grow in all the way. And we promise from the Dwellers Association Bangalore, this support will be forever with you, and we make sure we all together grow this show to new heights, and we make sure industry get prosperous. Today we can see Neerav Bhai have given an explanation of so many initiatives GJPC is taking that actually motivates our industry. Today our industry need
Principal Secretary, Industry and Commerce, Government of Karnataka, Dr. B. Govindan, Chairman, Bhima Jewelry, Shri Vinod Hegre, MD and Director, C. Krishna Chetty Group, Dr. Chetan Kumar Mehta, President, Dwellers Association, Bengaluru.
In the second largest tax collection center in the country. Therefore, we are extremely happy to have IIJS Tritiya, which would become the landmark show for the whole of India, especially representing South India. The show has got bigger and bigger, and we are so happy that it's just not got bigger, but it's got smarter.
Election year, we had faced some challenges organizing the show. However, we are incredibly grateful for the tremendous support we have received from the state and central government. We have worked closely with the Election Commission officials and government authorities to ensure that the show runs smoothly. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Principal Secretary, Industry and Commerce, Karnataka, Chief Electoral Officer of Karnataka and the Commissioner of Commercial Taxes of Karnataka, Commissioner for Industrial Development and Director Department of Industries and Commerce, Karnataka.
In this IIJS Tritiya to 2024 event at Bangalore International Exhibition Center. I really thank Gem and Jewellery Export Promotion Council and for organizing such a spectacular event that brings together the finest talents and businesses in the gem and jewellery sector from across the world and in the country. The success of the first edition of IIJS Tritiya laid a solid foundation showcasing Bengaluru's potential as a vibrant hub for the gem and jewellery industry. This year, I am glad to see the organizers building upon that success, expanding horizons and setting new benchmarks for excellence and innovation in the industry.
Jewelry industry, as you know, jewelry everybody considers to be luxury, but it is not like that. It is a kind of saving to the public. See, if you buy some kind of jewelry, whatever it is, bullion, coin, ornaments, within up to 3-4 years, you will always double the amount. Or plus, you get the GST, you get the profit, and you get the making charge also. So, it is a kind of investment. Every citizen in India now should start, from their savings, should invest in gold. In by way of jewelry can. It will be good for the public also. See, Kerala is the smallest state, but out of the total India, even if it is a smallest state, manufacturing and sales considered to be national level, it is the highest.
ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26 ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ.